Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. I would love it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my everyday makeup tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup every single day. It literally takes less than 10 minutes and it's so simple. You only need a few products. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys do, and let me know in the comments down below what your #1 go-to makeup essential is, because I would love to know. Honestly, I could not live without mascara. That is the one thing that I'm like, every single day I have to put on. It just makes me feel so put together. So I'd love to know what your #1 essential is, but let's just get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my every single day makeup tutorial. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below what your #1 makeup essential is, because I'd love to know. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and also give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time I upload my newest video. Bye guys!